This video is about the Swimify timekeeping system. I will explain what Swimify timekeeping is and how you connect the Swimify timekeeping to Quantum. The Swimify platform consists of 3 different programs. We have the Meet Manager, which is the admin program where you do the competition settings, add all entries, do the seedings, and so on. Then we have the timekeeping program, which is the interface between the timekeeping system, such as Quantum, and the admin program. And I will explain more about the timekeeping in this video. And finally, we have the CIS program, which is a speaker and scoreboard program. And I will tell you more about the CIS in a coming video. So, during a competition, you need to run both the Swimify Meet Manager and the timekeeping program at the same time. So, let's open the admin program and the timekeeping program. The first thing you need to do is to connect all the computers in the secretary to one common network. The best way to do it is to use a switch and network cables. With this setup, you will get a stable and robust system. When all computers are connected, you can go to the timekeeping menu and open Network Database. And as you can see, the timekeeping program now finds the admin database on the network. And we open it. Now we're connected. In the timekeeping program, we can see the heats coming from the admin program. Although it's possible to do this on different computers in the network, we strongly recommend to keep the Meet Manager and the timekeeping program open on the same computer. The timekeeping program must be open throughout the whole competition in order to get the timing to work properly, but you don't need to do anything in the program while running the competition. So it can just be in the background. The next step is to go to the timekeeping settings. We select the timekeeping system, and since we have a Swiss timing Quantum, we recommend you to select the Quantum Swimify protocol. You tick the auto follow, you tick the confirm heat, and down here you enter the IP address of the computer connected to the primary Quantum, and here you enter the IP address of the computer connected to the secondary Quantum. You can manually enter them or auto discover, and the port should be 26800 for both. If you only have a single Quantum, you can untick this box. Now we're done with the settings and we are connected, as you can see here. We see the computer connected to the primary Quantum and the computer connected to the secondary Quantum. I will show you a couple of more things. You can open a test race. It's a good tool to use if you want to test your equipment before the competition. Then you don't need to interfere with the competition heats. Just do a test race, and then when you're done, you can close it here. If you want to open a heat, you can double click or press open. And then you can see all the names in the first heat. We also have a button here, Resend Scoreboard List. If you have shown some results or a prize ceremony on the scoreboard and needs to go back to the competition, you press this button and the start list for the coming heat will show up on the scoreboard. So to summarize the most important things, you need to connect all the computers in a common network. We recommend you to run the Swimify Meet Manager and the timekeeping program on the same computer. The timekeeping program just runs in the background. You don't need to do anything about it, but it still needs to be open.